If you love jollof rice and love risotto, today we are combining both. And yes, it works. This is Jollof Risotto, creamy, smoky, deeply West African, but finished like an Italian classic. And if you think African food can evolve, this video might just change your mind. Hi, I'm Magali, and this is the Blue Fufu, where we honor African flavors while pushing them forward. If you are a home cook who's not afraid to experiment but still respect tradition, you are in the right place. So, if you know anything about West African food, you know jollof rice is the absolute king. It's legendary. If you ever visit Nigeria or Ghana, you'll quickly find out that everyone is always arguing over who makes it better. Honestly, every single family has their own secret version that they swear by. But here's the thing. The real magic of jollof isn't actually the rice. It's the sauce base. It's that mix of red pepper, tomato, and onion that gets cooked down until it's super thick and flavorful. Today we are doing something a little different. We are taking that classic jollof soul and mixing it with a creamy technique of an Italian risotto. We aren't trying to replace the original because jollof is already perfect. We are just giving it a fun twist. It's a total food mashup, and trust me, it works. Alright, while that jollof base is over there doing its thing and getting all thick, grab yourself a nice saucepan, drop in a big chunk of butter, and let it melt down over medium heat. Once it starts to bubble and foam, toss in your diced onion. You want to cook these low and slow. We aren't trying to burn them or make them crunchy, we just want them to get soft, sweet, and totally see-through. We are using Arborio rice because it's extra starchy. Stir it right in that melted butter. You want every single grain to be coated and looking shiny. We are going to toast the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the rice is a little nutty and edgy looking clear, it's a big moment. We are going to take a heavy scoop of that red jollof rice base we just finished, stirring right in. It's so cool to watch. The white rice just drink up that bright red color immediately. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's totally incredible. That's the jollof soul meeting the Italian technique. Just keep stirring and let those flavors get to know each other. Now we start the classic risotto dance. This is the part that takes some arm strength and patience. You are going to add about 1 ladle of warm broth at a time. Stir it constantly until the liquid is almost gone, and then you do it again and again. You might think, can I just dump all of the water at once? But trust me, you can't. You have to take your time and let that starch slowly break down from the grain of rice. By stirring, you are basically massaging the starch out of the rice. That starch is what makes the sauce naturally creamy without even adding milk yet. It's like magic. Keep going until the rice is soft but still has a tiny bit of a bite to it. Right at the very end, you are going to add your spices. So have some paprika, some curry, some thyme, and some salt to season. Oh, by the way, make sure you are actually tasting as you cook. That's the best way to make sure your food tastes perfectly. Season as you cook. That's what I meant. So you keep on stirring. It's one of those dishes that even at the restaurant it takes a while because you have to cook it. You cannot make it ahead. It's a special dish that we absolutely love at our house. So you keep on going until the rice is soft but still has a tiny bit of crunch to it. Right at the very end, you turn off the stove. So this is the finishing touch. You can throw in a big handful of Parmesan cheese and butter if you want. Give it a final stir, fast stir. What you are left with is an insanely creamy butter rice that hits you with that bold, spicy West African heat. It's honestly the best of both worlds in one simple. Seriously, you've got to try this at home. It's a total game changer. Now let's taste this. So good, so delicious. I can feel the curry, the paprika, delicious. I know people might say why change jollof, but cuisine has always evolved. The key is respecting the roots while exploring new technique. It's so good. I like the flavor that the tomato brings. It's not overpowering, and the parmesan, the cheese, it's full of flavor. Really a great combination. And tell me in the comment, what African dish should we evolve next time? I'll see you. Bye bye.